Next, 8 by 1 multiplexer. 8 by 1 multiplexer. So 8 by 1 multiplexer means 8 input. That is 2 power 3. Means we have 3 selection lines. This is 8 by 1 multiplexer. We have 3 selection lines. S0, S1, S2. Outputs, so only one output. Inputs, 8 inputs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. So this is the 8 by 1 multiplexer. Truth table is S2, S1, S0. This is F. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So F is D naught is equal to D naught when triple zero means D naught. S is equal to 1. 0, 0, 1 means 1. So D1. 0, 1, 0 means D2. 0, 1, 1 means D3. 1, 0, 0 means D4, D5, D6, D7. Okay, this is the truth table. If enable is available, write extra enable here. En all ones. Okay, whenever enable is 0, whatever inputs, output is 0. Okay, now expression f is equal to d naught plus d1 plus d2 plus d3 plus d4 plus d5 plus d6 plus d7, right? Like this is the expression. Now d naught occurs when s2 s1 s0 is 0, means s2 bar s1 bar s0 bar. Next 0 0 1 means s2 bar s1 bar s0. Next d2 0 1 0 s2 bar s1 s0. d3 0 1 1 means s2 bar s1 s0. d4 s2 s1 s0, right? S d5 1 0 1 s2 s1 bar s0. Next s2 s1 s0 bar. Next s2 s1 s0. So this is the final expression. If enable is available, just put bracket at the end, write enable. Simple. Okay, like that you have to draw 8 by 1 multiplexer. Now I want to design 8 by 1 8 by 1 using 4 by 1. 8 by 1 using 4 by 1. Okay, 8 by 1 using 4 by 1. Without enable I am explaining here. Without enable. Okay, see, without enable means 8 by 1. So I am using 4 by 1 now. Means I want two 4 by 1s because First 4 is D0, D1, D2, D3, right? Second 4 is D4, D5, D6, D7. So this is S0, S1, S0, S1. This is 4 by 1. This is 4 by 1. Now I want one more multiplexer, that is 2 by 1. Okay, that is S2. Then we get F. This is the 8 by 1 using 2 by 1. Sorry, using 4 by 1 and 2 by 1. See, I am selecting now S2, S1, S0 as 101. If I give 101, then output will be what? D5, right? D5. Okay, means you have to get output is this one. You getting this one or not? Let us check it. Okay, first S0, S1. What happened? 0, 1. S0, S1, 0, 1. 0, 1 means what? This one is 1, 2, sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3. Inside write down those things. So 0, 1 means 1. D1 will get output here, right? Here D5 will be get output, right? So here you get D1, here you get D5. Now S2 is what now? S2 is equal to 1. Okay. Then this is 0, this is 1. When S2 is equal to 1, this will be selected, right? So output is D5. So using 8 by 1 also you get D5. Using this circuit also you get D5. So this is 8 by 1 multiplexer using 4 by 1. Okay. This is one method. Next, same 8 by 1 mux using 4 by 1 with enable. With enable. Okay. See, 4 by 1, 4 by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. S0, S1. S0, S1. Okay. Now enable is here. Enable is here. D0, D1, D2, D3. Right. Next D4, D5, D6, D7. I am taking OR gate for this output. OR gate. This is final output. And enable. This one is enable, right? This one is enable. For this enable, I am giving NOT gate with S0. Sorry, S2. And this S2 is directly giving here. Okay, S2. Now let us check same thing. Previously what you checked, 101 means output will be D5, right? 101 means 5, output will be D5. Okay, means this one will be selected. So this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, and S2 is 1, right? If S2 is 1 means complement is 0. So this multiplexer will not work. It gives output as 0 only, right? Because enable is 0. This will don't work. So output is 0. Now this one will be works, right? This one will be directly 1. So this multiplexer will be works. 0, 1. 0, 1 means D5. You get here D5. 0 plus D5 means D5. So final answer is D5. You getting? So this is the 8 by 1 multiplexer using 4 by 1 enable. Okay. Next, I want to draw 8 by 1 using 2 by 1 now. 8 by 1 using 2 by 1. Okay. Means how many 2 by 1s we required? 4 2 by 1s required. This is without enable. Without enable. We required 4 2 by 1. So S naught, S naught, S naught, S naught, D naught, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Okay. Now we have 4 outputs. So 4 outputs means these two is connected to one multiplexer. These two is connected to another multiplexer. One multiplexer. So for this selection line is S1, S1. This is S2. Okay. All are 2 by 1 muxes only. 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1. Okay. 2 by 1. This is the 8 by 1 using 2 by 1 multiplexer without enable. Now same output. Selection lines are S2, S1, S0, 1, 0, 1. So output will be D5. Let us check it. We will getting or not. S0 is 1, right? 1, 1, 1, 1. Means user output will be this one, D1. Here D3, D5, D7, right? Means you get here D1, D3, D5, D7. Next S1 is 0. See, this is 0. Means top one will be selected. So D1. Here D5. So D1, D5. Now S2 is what? 1. So you get output as C, this one. So F is D5. This is 2 by 1 without enable. Okay. Next, 8 by 1 mux using 2 by 1 with enable. I am using with enable. With enable means we get 4 muxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have only one selection line, that is S0, S0. And all outputs are connected to OR gate. All outputs are connected to OR gate. This is F. Next we have how many? D0, D1, D0, D1, D0, D1. So D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Okay. This is 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1. Now I want two selection line. We have enable also here. This is enable. This is enable. Okay. This enable will be selected if it is S1 S2. Okay, S1 S2. This will be selected if what? Write down this one. S2 S1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, right? 0 0 means this one will be selected. 0 0 means what? S2 bar S1 bar, right? So put AND gate S2 bar S1 bar S2 S1. Next, so for simple notation, I am taking this one. Wait, I will show. Say 8 by 1 using 2 by 1 with enable. So remaining selection lines are what? S2, S1, right? So S2, S1. So this is S2, S2 bar, S1, S1 bar. Okay. So here you have to select this one means 0 0 means S1 bar, S2 bar. Next 0 1 means S2 bar, S1. Okay. Next 1 0. 1 0 means S1 S0 bar. Next 1 1 S2 S1. Okay. Now let us check whether we getting for 101 D5 or not. Okay. S0 is 1 means 1 1 1 1. Okay. Next S2 and S1 is, this is S1 S2, it is 1 0 means it is 1, it is 0 means what happens, this will becomes 1, this will become 0. 1 0 means what? AND gate output 0, so this will not activate, right? Next, this will be 1, this will be 0, again 1 0. 1 0 means output is 0, this will also not activated. Next S2 is 1, S1 also 1. 1 1 means AND gate output is 1, this will be activated. Next check this one, S1 is 1, S0 is 0, so AND gate output is 0 means only this multiplexer will be activated. Okay, so activation means 0 0 0, only this one will be activated. So S0 is 1 here means which output we get? D5 0 1, inside we have 0 and 1, so D5 will comes as output. Here D5 0 plus 0 plus D5 plus 0, that is equal to D5. Okay, finally for 101 we getting D5. So this is the 8 by 1 using 2 by 1 with enable. Okay, you can do like this any of the problems. Okay.